As I was telling them, the further you get out here on the taxiway, the cooler the breeze is. Yeah. So it's not horribly bad out here.
I'm having a hard time hearing you, which I can see the tail, so your hotel hold short of 22 for departing traffic.
Hold short 22, boss, make one simple.
Jump 1, do you hear my radio?
Affirmative, loud and clear, sir.
Okay, I just can't see. I'm just checking the arc. Thank you. MiGs can cross 22 and turn on Foxtrot.
Cross 22 and Foxtrot, can we not launch on 22, boss?
You can launch 22. The winds are a direct crosswind. They'll be from your right to left.
Works for us.
Okay, then hold short of 22. I'll launch the jump plane first.
Roger, we'll be ready at the end.
MiG lead, check flaps. There you go.
Jump 1, just go straight out and to the edge of the TFR, and then make your left turn around the edge of the TFR while the MiGs are flying and you're in your climb.
All right, straight out to the edge of the TFR, then left turn over to the orbit area. Jump 1.
MiGs, runway 22 cleared for takeoff. You got the box. The jump plane will be on the edge of the TFR.
Copy on, boss. Clear to launch.
Two's in.
All set?
Two's in.
MiG number 2's burner's not cooking. There it is.
Come in tight a little bit. Are you ready?
Here we go.
Stack, pass. And bring it around much tighter. Go on. Alright, here we go. Alright, we'll tighten it up, come around for an arc with burner.
Raptor, left turn, back taxi, runway 13, I'll launch you down there.
Oh, left turn, back taxi 13.
Ready, burner? Ready, ready, burner.
Boss, I can launch from here as soon as they go by if you want. Not able. Okay.
Roll out. Out of burner. Wingtip. At this altitude now.
Checking in, it's about 5 minutes.
5 minutes, yeah, we're right around 5 minutes, that should work. And the winds now indicate 310 at 8.
310 at 8, thanks.
Airboss,
There's 2 yellow X's, one at each side of runway 13 and one at each side.
Yep, thank you.
Left turn, ready. Ready, now. Alright, fast patch with the pitch. This will be our last pass with the pitch to return to land.
Roger, and you're going to pitch off of 2-2 or off 3-1?
We're going to pitch right in front of the crowd, but which would you like us? We can land at 4 or 2-2.
Let's land you on 4.
Land you on 4, copy. Ready on the burner? Ready, ready, burner.
And Raptor, you're going to use caution for the windsock, immediate side step to the left, runway 1356.
Raptor cleared for takeoff up to the jump plane.
Leads in the downwind for 4 for full stop. Be returned back parking.
MiG flight at 2, runway 4, clear to land.
The land.
Nice job, Raptor. The jump plane is now at your 10 o'clock high, nose on.
High looking.
Yeah, now he's at your 2 o'clock and he's headed kind of northbound.
Roger that looking.
And Steven, he's at 5,000.
Roger that, 5,000.
And he's going to be under your nose right now. Wind check, wind's estimated 310 at 6.
MiG leads on short final.
Jump plane in sight, Raptor.
And Remax your green light.
Alright, green light, we're turning her in now.
And MiG number 2 is a half-mile final, no vector.
And Remax Raptor is going to come underneath you and tag up with you. We got the Raptor.
A couple of strips of smoke from the Raptor, please. MiG-1, I saw you went to the left, back to parking. B-25 is started engines and getting ready to come out next to the B-29 for your SA.
Roger, I'm parking over with talk to the kids, and Bill's going back to the hangar with 2.
Nice job, MiG-2, right turn, hotel, back to parking, see you.
Good, Bill.